Oh, hello, 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 hello. I am excited to be with you guys today because today, my friends, I am going to show you how to make a video game with AI. It's not going to be the most complex thing in the world, but for the next 5 to 10, 20 minutes, if you sit here and hang out with me, I'm going to show you that you don't need to know how to code. You don't need to know how to do anything. All you need to do is just have the idea in your head, and then you ask AI to build it. It builds it. So, let's go. Let's go through it. Let's get into it. I am going to give you is ridiculous. 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 Let's get back to it. Let me go back to this thing so you can see this. I want you, if I can just give you the actual screen. Hold on. I'll get another one. And I want it because I want to show you share screen. Let's see. I'll show you the Claude. There it is. Boom. And so now you should be seeing, there we go. You should be seeing exactly what I'm seeing, right? So now what we've done is we've created the game and press any key to start the game. So if I press a key, oh my God, look, there's a little snake. It started working. I'll press another game. Let's see, press any key to restart. And that doesn't work. So we're going to have to go back to Claude and say, after loss, game restart does not work. And so it's going to now remake the code that we have just put in there a second ago. And it's going to rewrite that code so that when the game ends and you press another button, it actually has the game can play again. That's kind of what we want, right? So here it is finishing up now. And as a matter of fact, if this works as well as I think it's going to, which it will, because I've done this already, I'm going to try and make a Tetris game next. Live right here. We're going to try and make a game that's like Tetris. So let's go back over here and try this out. So WASD, if I touch any button, it says press any key to start the game. Oh, there it is. Boom. Oh my God, look at that. And my snake got bigger. And I can, wait, hold on. It's going kind of fast. Oh, there you go. Look at that. I just made a snake game. Now you might be like saying to me like, okay, that's great, but what can I do with this? Well, you can actually take this and put it on your website if you wanted so that people could play a game, or you could, whatever you want, you can use this for whatever you want, literally. And there you go. So there's a nice little fun snake game that we just made literally in 2 seconds. Didn't even have to write any code. Don't even know what code is. So now if you're wondering how to take this, you would take this code just like this. It's all right here, and you copy it. Then there is, even though Claude has its own HTML viewer, just to show you, you can go to this website. It's called HTML Viewer Online, and you click on HTML Online Viewer and literally take the code that you just got, copy, and then paste it right there, and bam, there's your game. So you can now literally create a game in, what was that, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes? We made a video game. Literally a whole video game in 5 minutes. What is that? All right, so let's do it again. Let's go here to Claude. Let's start a new chat, right? And then let's say, please make me a game that is identical to Tetris. And using the space bar for placement and AWSD, A button to rotate the objects going down. Make it where 4 layers completed delete themselves. And go. And Control Z and go. There we go. So now it's going to make a game that's like through using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, where you can use the space bar for placement, arrow keys for movement, and a button for rotation. Completing all 4 layers will make them delete themselves. So literally what we just asked for, it's building it for us right now. I don't know how much more ridiculous this needs to get than this, but this is insane. It's literally making a Tetris game for us. And it should, if Claude's working correctly, we should be able to see the game right in here once it's finished writing this code. So, folks, this is the stuff that's out there right now that people are like, oh, AI is doing this and that. It's like, it's so much more than making pictures. It's so much more than making videos. It's so much more. And this is just one of those things. Look at this. Here's the Tetris game. Let's go play it real quick. So let's see if I can rotate. No, rotate. Oh, it rotates here. Oh, look at that. And if I want to move my butt, I can move it this way. Oh, so look at that. It even gave me the little how to make it right. That's cool. And here comes another piece. Let's see if it does the thing where it does delete everything once a piece comes in. Let's see, rotate. How cool. How cool is this? Like literally, I just made Tetris on my computer that I can download the code and I can put this on any website I want. Like, how ridiculous is that? How ridiculous is this world that I'm living in, folks? I don't know what else to tell you. Look at that. Did it? I want it. Oh, it did delete. Oh my God. Look at that. It deleted when you did. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. Ah, totally working version of the game. Tetris built. We've built 2 games now in literally 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay? Please let that be a recognition in your mind that we just built 2 games, not 1, 2 games in less than 8 minutes. Folks, all I have to say to you is this. If you're looking for AI, or you want to learn about AI, or you want to know more that you don't know and you're wondering how it is I'm doing what I'm doing, please give me a chat. I'd be more than happy to share this with you and share with you all the information on how to build AI, how to make games, how to make videos, whatever it is that you're looking to learn. I promise you I know how to do it, and I'd be more than happy to share it with you. My friends, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little 9-minute video on how to make video games using Claude Anthropic. Peace.